Aprovecha, negra linda, que llegó la sabrosura. Si tú quieres disfrutar con la música de Cuba, aprovecha que llegó el 3. Fernando Begua.
5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1. Now we will show you first combination, more complicated. Just follow with us and look and focus on arm and timing. Start from this position, from open position, and 1, 2, 3. Now start, use your elbow on 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, and move and use like before to the CBL position. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Now 4, 5, and keep the arm in this position. Now 6, 7, and okay, 1 in this position. 1, 2, 3. Now and you see 4, 5. Touch like that. 6, 7, 1. Now 2, 3. Go diagonal because you will do the 360. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1 to the crossbody lead. I will show you in this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 to the crossbody lead. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. And now open break. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. I will show you the end when we are on crossbody lead. Now 2, 3. Now look. 5. Next is 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5. One more time, very slowly. Crossbody lead, open the position. Now CBL, crossbody lead. 2, 3, 5. Next, elbow, touch yourself, go to the hips and to the side, and next, touch the hand of your partner. One more time, from this position. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and keep the position. Keep the position. 2. Now elbow down on the 6th side. On the 1 position. 4, 5 position. Now to your chest, to your hips, and side, next elbow, and grab the hand.